Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. So today I'll be sharing with you all the most awaited Ramadan diet plan. This diet plan will contain lots of recipes that you can have the entire Ramadan season, which will definitely help you stay fuller and as well as lose weight fast very easily. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. And also, if I'm pronouncing anything wrong, please forgive me for this. So now, for the suhoor, that is the very early morning meal for Ramadan, I'll give you 4 options that you can have. Now out of these 4 options, you will be having 2 options each and every day. Now that is up to you, whichever option that you find comfortable with, have it. So there are 4 options. The first one is yogurt with seeds and fruits and dates. Now yogurt is the best source of calcium which keeps you fuller for a longer time of the day. So, in a small bowl of yogurt, add chia seeds, some dates and any fruit of your own choice. I personally prefer mango because it's summer season and mango is very easily available in the market. So, you can have this calcium bowl. Now, do not forget to add chia seeds as they keep you fuller for the longer time of the day, which we want as we'll be fasting for the entire day. Now, the next thing that you can have is mango smoothie or mango chia pudding. Now, I personally prefer mango chia pudding as it is very much fuller and healthy in each and every manner. Now, to prepare this pudding, all you need is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of milk, half a chopped mango and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, that is optional. Now, the first step is soak chia seeds in the milk for approximately 1 to 2 hours as per your own time and choice. You can also soak it overnight if you like it. Now the next process is very simple. All you have to do is just assemble the things, that is put mangoes chopped in this chia milk and along with some vanilla extract for the flavor, and your mango chia pudding is prepared. Early morning having this delicious pudding will make your entire day super awesome. Now instead of this, you can also have mango smoothie, which is very easy to prepare. Just blend mango chunks along with some yogurt and for the consistency some water, and your mango smoothie is prepared and delicious and ready to have. Now the third option that you have is watermelon. You can have a complete full bowl of watermelon along with your meal because watermelon improves your hydration and keeps you hydrated for the longer time of the day, which in this diet plan we definitely want. So you can have a complete full bowl of watermelon. Now the last option for suhoor is quinoa breakfast bowl. It is very delicious to have early morning as it is so nutritious in each and every manner. Preparing this quinoa bowl is very easy. All you have to do is first rinse the quinoa under cold running water. Then place the quinoa and coconut milk or animal milk or just regular milk in a saucer pan and bring it to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer. Now cook this for 20 minutes until the quinoa is fully cooked. Remove it from the heat and fluff it with a fork. You can add vanilla extract to it, grounded cinnamon powder to it and some honey for taste in it. Top it up with some fruits of your own choice and nuts, dates, walnuts, almonds, fruits like strawberry, mango, apple, whatever you like, and your delicious quinoa breakfast bowl is ready. Believe me, you'll love this breakfast bowl as it is so fuller and keeps you fuller for at least 5 to 6 hours. So do try this. Now out of these 4 options, you can have any 2 each and every day for suhoor. For iftar, I'll again give you 4 options. The first one is chickpeas mango fusion salad. Now this particular fusion salad contains chickpeas and mangoes as the name suggests. Now to prepare chickpea mango fusion salad, you will need 1 cup of chickpeas soaked and boiled, then 1 ripe mango chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a lime. All you have to do is just mix all the ingredients well and chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And then you can have this mango fusion salad and you will love having it because it is so fuller and it contains all the good ingredients that you want for the entire day. Now the next thing that you can have for iftar is grilled veggies. These are the best options that you can have because you'll be sleeping after it and you need to have a light dinner. So grilled veggies is the best option that you can have. Third option is vegetable quinoa pulao. Now we had the quinoa breakfast bowl in the morning. So we'll be having vegetable quinoa pulao in the night, that is iftar. Now the vegetable quinoa pulao has already been shared in my thyroid weight loss diet plan. The link for it will be in the description box below. But it is very easy to prepare. All you have to do is prepare it in the normal pulao form that you would do with normal rice. But quinoa takes a little longer to cook. So cook it beforehand and prepare it in the normal pulao form. And your delicious vegetable quinoa pulao will be all ready. Now, the fourth option is very simple. That is, you can just have muesli with milk. Muesli is the best option that you can have if you have been fasting for the entire day. So you can have normal simple plain muesli with almond milk or soya milk or cashew milk or whatever milk that you option like, or low fat skim milk as well. Now, out of all these 4 options, you can have any 2 each day and experiment with it, the taste of it. If I pronounced anything wrong, please forgive me. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my diet plans, and I'll love to reply back to you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Follow me on Instagram as I upload and post daily there what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day. To buy any of the ingredients listed in this video, you can check the description box below. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always. And happy Ramadan to each and every one of you.